Our real wood furniture and shelves are made by our skilled craftsmen in our workshop in the northeast of England. It's chunky, solid wood furniture that'll withstand day-to-day life in your home. We are real craftsmen, making real wood furniture that will endure whatever real life throws at it, at a realistic price. We take pride in our work. We are skilled and have an eye for detail. We're a friendly bunch, always on hand to help. Our products are solid, dependable and long-lasting. So is our reputation, and one absolutely depends on the other, and we don't ever forget that.